Did you know that what seems like a simple watch repair can often lead to irreversible damage? Watches are delicate instruments, and even the slightest mistake can render them useless. Many people think they can save money by fixing their watches themselves. However, without the proper expertise, they often end up causing more harm than good. This can be a costly mistake. The initial attempt to save money can lead to even higher expenses when the watch needs professional repair afterward. In this video, we'll explore the dangers of DIY watch repair and why it's best left to the professionals. Professional watchmakers undergo extensive training to handle these delicate tasks. Let's delve into the reasons why DIY watch repair can be a disaster waiting to happen. The internet is filled with DIY videos and articles. These make watch repairs seem simple and easy. With just a few clicks, anyone can find step-by-step guides and tutorials that promise quick fixes. This accessibility of information can be misleading. Many people underestimate the complexity involved. People are drawn to the idea of saving money and the satisfaction of fixing something themselves. The sense of accomplishment can be very rewarding. There's a certain appeal to learning a new skill. It can be a fun and educational hobby. However, watch repair is not like assembling furniture from a kit. It requires a different level of precision and patience. The reality is that watches are delicate instruments. Even a small mistake can cause significant damage. They demand precision and expertise. Professional watchmakers spend years honing their skills. While online resources can be helpful for basic maintenance, they rarely capture the full complexity of professional watch repair. The nuances and subtleties are often lost. The difference between a successful repair and a ruined watch often comes down to years of experience and specialized training. It's a craft that requires dedication and a deep understanding of the mechanics involved. Watches are intricate mechanisms. They are made up of tiny gears, springs, and screws. Some parts are barely visible to the naked eye. These components work together in perfect harmony to measure time accurately. Even a slight misalignment or scratch can disrupt the entire system. Specialized tools are essential for working on these delicate parts. These tools are designed to manipulate tiny components without causing damage. They're not typically found in a standard toolbox. Professional watchmakers invest significant time and money in acquiring and mastering the use of these tools. The perils of inexperience. Common DIY watch repair mistakes. One of the most common mistakes made by amateur watch repairers is overestimating their abilities. Without proper training, it's easy to misdiagnose a problem. This can lead to unnecessary tinkering and further damage. Another frequent error is using the wrong tools. Improper tools can scratch delicate parts or strip screws, making the repair even more challenging. Even seemingly simple tasks like changing a watch battery can go wrong. If not done correctly, there's a risk of puncturing the battery or damaging the battery contacts. These mistakes can result in battery leakage and corrosion, ultimately ruining the watch's movement. A cautionary tale. The $5,000 watch reduced to scrap metal. A friend tried to save money by cleaning his expensive watch himself. A DIY enthusiast, he watched a few videos online and felt confident. The tutorials made it look easy, so he decided to give it a go. He opened the case, but the mechanisms were more delicate than he thought. The watch slipped, scratching the face deeply. He stripped a screw, making things worse. A professional found the damage irreversible. The repair cost was astronomical. His $5,000 watch was reduced to scrap metal, a costly mistake, and a lesson in the value of professional expertise. Section 6. Trust the experts. Why professional watch repair matters. Professional watchmakers undergo years of training to master their craft. They understand the intricacies of different watch movements and possess the necessary skills and tools to handle them with care. They can diagnose problems accurately and perform repairs with precision, ensuring your watch keeps ticking for years to come. While professional watch repair might seem more expensive up front, it can save you a lot of trouble and money in the long run. Attempting a DIY repair might seem tempting, but remember my friend and his $5,000 mistake. When it comes to your valuable timepieces, it's always best to trust the experts. Share your stories in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.